Hi everyone, this is Pius Rabbi, and today I'm going to solve a question extracted from UNILAG MBA past questions on macroeconomics. A look at the question shows that it relates to ISLM model. It relates to what we call the ISLM model. Alright, so the ISLM means investment, savings, liquidity, preference, money supply. So the instruction in the question is to find the equilibrium interest rate and the national income level at equilibrium. Now, we are going to get these two things by combining the goods market and the money market to get the general equilibrium from the two markets. So, the first thing that we are going to do is to look into the first part of the model, which is the IS curve. So, what is the IS curve? So, the IS curve relates to the income, which is equal to C plus I plus G, and because it's an open economy, it also has net exports. So plus net exports. So that is the formula for the IS part of the model. So the next thing we are going to do is to substitute for all the components of the IS curve formula. So here we have Y equals C, and right over here our C is 100 plus 0.9 into Y minus T. And then what is our T? That is our tax, which is 100, right, plus investment, which is right over here, and that is 50 minus 7.5 R, and plus G, which is government, and it is right over here, and that is 200. That is 200. Then plus net export, and our net export is negative, which is right over here. So that is minus 50. So we'll simplify further. This is 100 plus 0.9 Y minus, so what I'm doing over there is opening the brackets. So 0.9 times Y, that is 0.9 Y. 0.9 times 100, that is 90. That is 90. So now plus 50 minus 7.5R plus 200 minus 50. So now y is equal to 100 plus 200, that is 300. 50 minus 50, so they cancelled out each other. So 300 minus 90, that is 210. So we have 210 plus 0.9y 0.9y minus 7.5R. So we continue. This is going to be y, collecting the like terms, so we move the 0.9 to the other side, so we have 0.9y. So the coefficient of this is 1. Now this is going to be equal to 210 minus 7 minus 7.5R, and this is going to be, let me show this very well. So 1 minus 0.9, that is 0.1 y, which is equal to 210 minus 7.5R, and y will be equal to, dividing both sides by 0.1, we have 210 minus 7.5R, all divided by 0.1. So in continuation, we are going to look for 210 divided by 0.1, and that is going to be 2,100 from the calculator. So here we have y equals 2,100 minus, then you do the same to 7.5. So 7.5 divided by 0.1, that is 75R. So that is equation 1, which is the IS curve. Now let's look at the LM curve. So the LM curve, relates to the money market, which is money supply divided by price level equals money demand, and in this case that is represented by liquidity preference as a function of income and interest rate. And from the question, we have our money supply to be 400 and our price to be 10. So over here we have 4,000 divided by 10, which is equal to our money demand expressed as liquidity preference as a function of y and r, that will be y minus 350r. So here we have y minus 350r. So now 10 cancel 0 here, so we have 400, which is equal to y minus 350r. So we have, making y the subject of the formula, we're going to have, this is our y and this is our 400, right? Is our 400. So minus 350 we go to the other side, we have plus 350r. We have 350r. So y is equal to 400 plus 350r, which is our equation 2. So we have equation 1 from IS curve over here, and the second equation from LM curve over here. So now we are going to combine the two equations to find the general equilibrium. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to set up the general equilibrium, which is equation 1 equals equation 2. Equation 1 equals equation 2. Equation 1 equals equation 2. So right here we have equation 1 to be 2100 minus 75. So equation 1, 2100 minus 75r, which is equal to equation 2, which is 400 plus 350r, 400 plus 350r. So collecting the like terms, we have 2100 minus 350r is equal to 200 minus 400, which is equal to 350r plus 75r. So 2100 minus 400, that's going to be 1700, and 350r plus 75r, that's going to be 425r. So dividing both sides by 425, so r is equal to 1700 divided by 425, which is equal to 4. That is the equilibrium interest rate. Having found the equilibrium interest rate, so we need to find the equilibrium national income, which can either be equal to 2,100 minus 75R, and now the R is 4, or 400 in the equation 2 plus 350R plus 350R, and R is 4 again. So if you put this in the calculator or this in the calculator, it should give you the same answer, which is 1,800. Therefore, the national income level and the interest rate as instructed over here, so the equilibrium interest rate and the equilibrium national income right here is going to be 4 and 1,800 respectively. So that is the final answer. So thank you.